In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bank statement in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for so your transactions land in the right place without duplicates or format issues. Start by opening Zoho Books and heading to your dashboard. This is your home base, and it's the best place to begin any accounting task because it shows you a quick snapshot of your finances. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click Banking. That will take you to the page where all your connected accounts and statements live, and it's where you'll be importing your bank data. Once you're in the banking section, find the Import Statement option. It's typically at the top right of the page. Clicking this opens the import workflow, which lets you bring in transactions from your bank or card provider. Most banks will give you a downloadable statement file. Common formats that work well include CSV, OFX, and QIF. If you can choose, CSV often provides the most control for mapping columns during import. Next, click Choose File. A file picker will open so you can browse to the folder where you saved your bank statement. Select the file and confirm. If it's more convenient, you can also drag and drop the statement directly into the upload area instead of using the file picker. Both options achieve the same result, so use whichever is faster for you. After your file is added, click Next to continue and complete the steps on screen. Here's what to pay close attention to as you proceed. Make sure you're importing into the correct bank account in Zoho Books so the transactions appear in the right feed. Review the date format detection. Match it to how dates appear in your file, such as day, month, year, or month, day, year, to avoid shifting transactions into the wrong periods. Check the column mapping so date, description, amount, debit, and credit are recognized correctly. If your statement includes separate debit and credit columns, ensure they're assigned to the right fields. If you see a currency option, confirm it matches the statement. And if the system flags potential duplicates, use the preview to verify before you finalize. When everything looks correct, finish the import. Your transactions will appear in the banking section, ready for categorization and reconciliation. For smoother imports, keep your file tidy. Clear extra header rows, remove blank lines, and avoid special characters in column titles. If a file is very large, consider breaking it into smaller ranges by date. That's it. You've successfully uploaded a bank statement in Zoho Books. Follow these same steps each month to keep your books accurate and up to date.